songbird in your golden cage, she'd prefer the blue. How I crave the liquor of her song. Poor bird was done no harm, what harm could she do? She shall be my prisoner her whole life through. My songbird wants her freedom. Now don't you think I know? But I can't find it in myself to let my songbird go. I just can't let her go. Oh Lord, with your jeweler's eye, peers into my soul. Oh Lord, I am overcome with shame. Take me, Lord, and purify. Heal me with a word. Lord, I beg a gift I dare not claim. My songbird wants her freedom. Now don't you think I know? But I can't find it in myself to let my songbird go. I just can't let her go. My songbird wants her freedom. Now don't you think I know? But I can't find it in myself to let my songbird go. I just can't let her go.